Generative AI has unlocked incredible potential, but its true power lies in how you communicate with it. As Andrej Karpathy famously said, prompting is programming in English. Your ability to express intent defines the machine's ability to deliver value. I'm Chris Brule, lead Python and AI instructor here at Maven Analytics, and welcome to my Masterclass on prompt engineering. We'll start by reviewing the basics of generative AI and LLMs, how they interpret instructions, generate responses, and learn from context. We'll introduce the concepts of tokens and context windows and demonstrate how small changes to your prompting strategy can produce dramatically different results. Next, we'll introduce our unique bridge framework, a 6-part system for building prompts that deliver consistent and accurate results. We'll walk through each component step by step and showcase the importance of background context, requests, inputs, deliverables, guardrails, and evaluation. We'll also share helpful resources like prompt templates and checklists that you can apply to your own work. From there, we'll share best practices to help you maximize your AI productivity, like leveraging stored memories, projects, and custom GPTs, and preview some enterprise capabilities for additional privacy and security. We'll also showcase some advanced prompting techniques like chain of thought, branching, multi-shot prompting, and more. Last but not least, we'll practice applying the skills we've built to a final course project to showcase the power of thoughtful prompt engineering. So whether you're a data professional, a business leader, or just looking to level up your prompting skills, this is the course for you. We'll help you cut through the hype and build the practical AI skills you need to help make smarter, more confident decisions. We've got a lot to cover, so let's get started.